Hello everybody, today we are going to start with a new lecture. The lecture for this week is a writing lecture. The form of writing that we are going to learn about this week is the descriptive paragraph. First of all, we are going to ask ourselves a question. What can we describe? We can describe people, we can describe things, and we can describe places also. What is a descriptive paragraph? If we look at the word descriptive, it means to describe. When I describe, it means it tells about a person, a place, or event. And it includes ideas, details, or words and phrases that make a picture in your mind. So it describes a certain person or picture. Let's see this model. You have a new friend at your school this year. Write a descriptive paragraph of 7 to 9 lines telling about how he looks, what traits he has, and your feelings toward him. First of all, we can describe this person, how he looks, his outer appearance. And we have to say what traits he or she has. Now we have explained in the character traits that traits are words that describe a character, but they describe his personality, his attitude, and his behavior, and not his outer appearance. A new friend. Rami is a new student in grade 4. He is 10 years old. He is short and fat. He has curly black hair and brown eyes. He always wears a hat and eyeglasses. He has 2 nice dimples on his cheeks. His uniform is always clean and neat. Till here, I am describing the outer appearance of Rami. And of course, I'm not justifying, I'm not telling that Rami has 2 nice dimples because you cannot justify the outer appearance. Okay, it's just something that God created. But when you start describing his traits, it means you have to justify. Let's see how. Rami is a helpful boy because he always helps me in solving my homework. So he's helpful because I'm justifying. Also, he is cute and funny because he says many jokes that make me laugh. And he always plays with me tennis. So when I described him as cute and funny, I also justified. So guys, you start your essay with a topic, your paragraph with a topic sentence, then you start describing the outer appearance of the person you are describing, and then you start with the traits with justification. And then you move to the last sentence, which is the concluding. Rami is a smart student because he always gets the highest grades in the class. So also here I'm describing a trait, which is being smart, and I'm also justifying. I like my lovely and kind friend Rami. So as we said at the end, you have to describe your feelings towards this person. Is Rami, what is the color of his eyes, and so on. So when we answer these questions, we are going to have the paragraph that we had. When you write a descriptive paragraph, you should use the words that are related to senses, sound, touch, smell, and taste. Sensory words that can help you. So of course you also describe the height, the body type of the person, the features, and the color. You can also describe the people from the inside, in which we call traits, as we said, and we took this in character traits, such as saying that this person is helpful, is friendly, is kind, is honest, is polite, is optimistic, pessimistic, and so on. Using descriptive words, when you write a description, you should use words that are related to the senses, as we said. Parts of the descriptive paragraph. The descriptive paragraph is divided into parts. First, the introducing sentence or the introductory sentence. It's a sentence that tells what and who is the paragraph about, or whom you are describing. You start your paragraph with the introductory sentence to tell whom you are describing. The details, you should support your topic with details that describe the person from the outside and the inside using correct adjectives and complete sentences. The last sentence of the paragraph expresses your feelings or your opinion about the person you are describing. In order to make it easier for you, you can use this web chart in order to fill in with the character traits or the outer appearance of this person. Okay, this is called a web chart in which you can fill with adjectives to describe the person you are writing about. These are the guidelines, so you have to give your descriptive paragraph a title. You have to begin with a topic sentence and tell about the person you are describing. Describe the person from the outside, describe the person from the inside, and justify, of course. End your paragraph with a concluding sentence that expresses your feelings or opinion toward that person. Use connecting words and conjunctions, use complete sentences, use adjectives and adverbs, and use the present tense. When you are describing, you have to use the present tense دايما. Here I just revised some rules of the present tense just to refresh your minds and to recall what is a present tense. This is the first draft. You went with your classmates to the circus and you saw a clown there. Write a paragraph of 7 to 9 lines describing his outer appearance and 2 of his traits. You have to fill with the graphic organizer before writing the paragraph. This is the web chart. You have to fill within the web chart with adjectives describing the clown. And this is draft 2, which is going to be a graded homework. Of course, we are going to solve draft 1 together during the live sessions.